How to fix verification required on App Store. So what you normally do in order to fix this problem is by basically update your card. However, when you are going to do this method, what is going to happen is that you will be having to pay that particular subscription. So in order for us to avoid that one, we're going to have to remove our card. So we're going to go ahead and click our profile here. So once we are here, we're going to go ahead and click our profile and we're going to have to enter our password in here. After entering our password, we're going to go ahead and click where it says manage payments. And then here, we're just going to have to remove this card of ours. So I'm going to do this one. All right, so I don't have a payment method anymore, so that is good. Now that you have already removed your GCash, the next thing that we are going to do is add the payment method, another payment method if possible. But say for example, you don't want to do that, I'm going to show you a loophole here. So I want you to go ahead and click account. Now that we are in the account, I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the bottommost corner and we're going to hit where it says sign out. So from here, we are going to go ahead and sign in another Apple ID. So if you have, go ahead and do this one real quick. Okay, here's my other Apple ID. I'm just going to go ahead and click sign in. And then I'm going to go ahead and authorize this one by putting here my two-factor authentication, just like so. Here it says that this account has not yet been used in the iTunes store, so we'll have to review the account and input any necessary details here. So just go ahead and click the review button. Alright, so after clicking the review, we are redirected here. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one in order to accept the terms and condition. Click next. And then from here, make sure that you are choosing none as the option for the payment method. Otherwise, you would be in the same problem as earlier. And then here you have the billing address. Go ahead and do so as well. And then once you have completed it, go ahead and tap the next button. Alright, so Apple account completed. Now just go ahead and click continue. And yeah, from this point forward, you should be able to download any application without any problem. So I'm going to do that by clicking this one right here and click the get button. Alright, that is how you are going to fix verification required on App Store.